We start by unlocking hidden power settings that control CPU heat directly inside Windows 11. This method is safe. Click the Start button. Type Command Prompt. Right-click it. Select Run as Administrator. A black window will appear. In this window, type the command exactly as I say it. Then press Enter. This unlocks advanced processor controls that Windows hides by default. Now we need to open the classic Power Options window. Press Windows and R together. Type Control Power CFG.cpl. It's the active power plan. Click Change Plan Settings next to your active plan. Then click Change Advanced Power Settings. A new window will open with detailed controls. Scroll down until you find Processor Power Management. Expand it. You will see Minimum Processor State and Maximum Processor State. If you do not see Minimum Processor State, restart your computer once and repeat this step. Set the minimum processor state to 20% for both battery and plugged in. Then set the maximum processor state to 99%. Click Apply. Then click OK after applying these changes. If this helped you, like and subscribe.